guys, so we're going to be patching this hole up. It was like a speaker device here, but we're going to get this switched out. So you want to get you some net like this. I already measured and cut it out. I'll get this on here nicely. But I'm going to cut some more of this net off because I only want, it has two pieces to it. The steel piece, I only need a little to cover the hole so when you do put your drywall on there. So I'll cut some of that off. Don't mind my scissors. These is my grandson's scissors. I'm working with what I got, where I'm at. Period, okay? So, and actually I can cut a little more net off down here. Get that cut off. Because all you want to do is give it enough support so when you put your drywall on, that it works good. And then I think I could cut a little bit of that off. I don't want too much. I want it enough where it blends in, but I mean, I could go from there. I could, but I'll take it down some so you don't have that much of it on there. Just get your preparation good, baby. And actually, I'm going to cut a little more of this off because I actually want this just to go exactly right in the hole for the support. I don't want it hanging off. So, boom, boom. Yeah, see, that's the way I want it. And after that, you just start, you got that sealed out, then you mud it. You go in with some mud. Where's my mud? Where is my mud? Where is my mud? Where is my mud? Oh, it's love. So basically, we're going in with some joint compound. Going, Get it done, okay? So basically, I'm gonna go in and so what I like to do is do my outside first. That way it gives us supports the inside. So that's what you want to do. I mean, different strokes for different folks, but for me, this is the way that I like to do it. And so basically what you're doing is going in and filling that hole up. So I'm going to continue to do this the whole way through. So I can see it's getting patched up. So I'm going to go over it one more time. You want to make your outside as smooth as possible so you can cut down on the dust.